Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2012 Ford Mustang. Stock number is A7164. Starting right away up front, and then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have the blacked out alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Hankook tires. Inside, cloth interior. The seats are very clean all the way throughout. Swinging around to the back end now. You have dual point exhaust on the back as well as a spoiler, adding a nice sporty touch. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac, right on the corner, right on the price. Inside you have cruise controls, full stereo, that includes a CD player, climate control, and your manual transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Mustang on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.